Realistic blockbuster trade between Warriors and Clippers na maaaring mangyari this summer. This summer, may malaking trade on the horizon between two NBA teams, ang Golden State Warriors at Los Angeles Clippers. Ang lahat ng ito ay dahil sa sitwasyon ng kontrata ni Paul George. Maaari niyang piliin na umalis sa Clippers at maging isang free agent sa 2024-25 season. Sa nalalapit na posibilidad na ito, ang Warriors at ang Clippers ay maaaring nag-iisip tungkol sa paggawa ng isang malaking trade na makakatulong sa kanila sa paparating na season. Golden State Warriors receive Paul George. Los Angeles Clippers receive Draymond Green, Andrew Wiggins 2028 first-round pick. Draymond Green's recent behavior on the court has been a cause for concern rather than an asset for the team. His ejection in a recent game against Orlando, leaving Stephen Curry visibly dismayed and nearly in tears with just 3 minutes of play, underscores the growing tension within the team. Ang mga pangunahing manlalaro na nakatulong sa kanilang 2022 championship run, na sina Draymond Green, Klay Thompson, at Andrew Wiggins, have all failed to meet expectations in 2023-24, consequently, Steph Curry finds himself lacking the necessary support to mount a serious title challenge. Dahil na-eject si Draymond Green at medyo nasuspende ngayong season, naglaro lang siya sa 51 laro para sa Golden State, na may average na 8.8 puntos, 7.3 rebounds at 6.0 assists. Si Andrew Wiggins, habang available sa 65 encounters, ay naglagay lamang ng 13.0 puntos, 4.5 rebounds at 1.7 assists para sa koponan. Parting ways with Draymond and Wiggins would signify a significant shake-up for the Warriors. Ang parehong mga manlalaro ay nahirapan na mahanap ang kanilang rhythm sa buong season. Bilang kapalit, ang pagkuha ng bona fide na superstar tulad ni Paul George ay maaaring magbigay ng kinakailangang dynamism sa team. Katuwang sina Curry, Thompson, Jonathan Kuminga, at iba pang bahagi ng koponan, George's arrival could potentially reinvigorate the Warriors' championship aspirations. Bagamat ang pagtra-trade kay Draymond ay walang alinlangan na magiging isang tough decision for the organization, his declining performance and disciplinary issues have become increasingly problematic. The addition of Paul George, with his exceptional two-way abilities, could herald a new era of competitiveness for the Golden State Warriors. As a current all-star in the season, si Paul George ay nagpakita ng magandang laro ngayong taon na may average na 22.6 points, 5.2 rebounds at 3.5 assists habang naglalaro ng 70 laro para sa Clippers. Gayunpaman, kung sakaling pipiliin niyang hindi palawigan ang kanyang panunungkulan sa Clippers, orchestrating a sign-and-trade agreement of 3-year, $40 million per season, involving Draymond Green, Andrew Wiggins, at isang future draft pick ay maaaring lumabas bilang isang madiskarteng hakbang para sa front office ng Clippers. Transitioning into a new chapter, Draymond Green's versatile skill set could prove indispensable for the Clippers, offering leadership, defensive prowess, and a high basketball IQ. Despite Andrew Wiggins' lackluster performance during his stint with the Warriors this season, hindi dapat balewalain ang kanyang potensyal na papel sa lineup ng Clippers, lalo na bilang komplementaryong piyesa kung wala si Paul George. Sa pamamagitan ng mga talento tulad nina James Harden, Kawhi Leonard, at Ivica Zubac na nakaangkla na sa koponan, ang pagsasama ng mga manlalaro tulad nina Wiggins at Green ay maaaring magdagdag ng lalim at versatility sa roster, na magtaguyod ng mas balanse at magkakaugnay na unit.